In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file with transactions into Xero. We'll start from the Xero dashboard. Open the accounting menu at the top, then choose bank accounts. This takes you to the list of bank accounts in your organization. Find the account you want to update and open the More Options menu by clicking the three dots on the right of that account's row. From the menu, choose Import a Statement. This is where you'll bring in your transactions from a CSV file. On the import page, download the Xero CSV template. Using the template helps you avoid formatting issues that can cause errors. Open the file in your spreadsheet tool and enter your transactions. Keep the column headings exactly as provided. Use a single amount column with negative numbers for money spent and positive numbers for money received. Don't include currency symbols or thousands operators, and avoid formulas. Use plain values only. Make sure dates are consistent throughout and save the file as CSV, ideally UTF-8. One file should represent one bank account. When you're done, save and close the spreadsheet. Back in Xero, click Select File, find your saved CSV on your computer, and upload it. Then, click Next to move to the mapping screen. Here, map and assign each column from your CSV to the correct field in Xero, such as date, amount, and description or reference. If your spreadsheet has different headings, choose the closest matching field. Confirm the date format so Xero interprets it correctly, and make sure the sample rows preview looks right. Amount signs, dates, and text should all appear as expected. If your first row is a header, ensure Xero is set to ignore it. Take a moment to scan a few lines. Catching a sign error here prevents a lot of cleanup later. When everything looks good, click Next to review the import summary. Xero will show you how many transactions are about to be brought in. If you spot anything off, cancel, fix the CSV, and try again. If it all checks out, click Complete Import. Your transactions are now in Xero and ready for reconciliation. Xero will automatically try to match them to existing invoices, bills, and spend or receive money transactions. If there are any duplicates or date issues, you'll see prompts to help you resolve them. That's all there is to it. Download and prepare the template, upload your CSV, map the columns carefully, and complete the import. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.